Something you baby, I'm gonna let Mama to la. Me, Mama, she your baby. Take it down the out down to the deal of my soul. Come on, little boy, deal on him now. The middle day, your own life. Send out the way, deal of me. Promise, so he's young and come on, It was don't win give a nice youth kitchen and you and Uncle Coca now a cool to attend me at that way don't long feed on now for say with so walk it gym come down at 20 book of the keys ya have the color come out 20 got the keys ya me miss God go see got talu now the on it do what it be a bark the chota now time it they have to come out side the piece of now whoa they go don't not yet be but the main go low and never the sing the gym so that they can't let go so that never be but don't ever go that they can't let more than never be me won't ever let him now let you take up in by you for never be don't check over the can out to yet it's out to it online my better gun you got some do it my name so that now me my bed to hand out with my day to able to do good over what read up your street that's it carry on to it my loud to go use the gabu. Zaya dang I can loan that day to go get told the talu. That shoe up a kind of cat, Dilo low by the bansa at the time I talk on the bed, running a late intention of the at that day. King kind I know that the name paper to see the joint out low. Upon low big of the chakale, 2 years the cancel, Macan don't out low. Show kid at St. John out at the PP net to show me out low. She going housey, Piana came and so in laying and lodging say, that must say. Let's all put them them na let and not be people to set me back at the pattern never be just a net. You're like you must have that ring. I'm a baby of book with the metal do edging off on side that day. Hey, your baby, oh, what's okay? Then it's on you mean I do in young camp up on the top of the shopper. Did the thing got a key to a party now for land with thought of the outer. To drag the bed with Yana Banana since I'm ready, but now here made to a pig and picking the number. They do a mess for myself.